Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so since the period was adjusted by 10% by changing the length of a pendulum, so therefore we have the new time period with t prime here should be between 1 minus 10% of the original period and the 1 plus 10% of the original period. Okay, so therefore the range of the new time period should be between 0.9t and 1.1t. So we know time period can be equal to 2 pi times square root L over G. So therefore, if we plug in back to the so if you take a look at the inequality here, and then we can plug in back to the inequality here. So therefore, we have 0.9 times 2 pi times square root Lg is less than t prime, and then less than 1.1 times 2 pi times square root L over G. So we also know that t prime, which is the new time period, can be equal to 2 pi times the square root prime over G. L prime here is the new length we're looking for, okay? So therefore, let's do it separately. So we have t prime is bigger than 0.9 times 2 pi times square root L over G. So therefore, we have 2 pi times square root L prime over G is greater than 0.9 times 2 pi times square root L over G. And as you can tell, 2 pi can be cancelled out. G can be cancelled out. So therefore, we have square root L prime is greater than 0.9 times square root L. If we put square on each side, we have L prime is greater than 0.81 L. Oops, sorry. And let's take a look at the right side here. So t prime is less than 1.1 times 2 pi times square root L over G. So which means that 2 pi times square root L prime over G is less than 1.1 times 2 pi times square root L over G. So therefore, 2 pi can be cancelled out. G and G can be cancelled out. So we'll have square root L prime is less than 1.1 square root L. So therefore, L prime is less than, is less than 1.21 L. Okay? So therefore, the range of the new length L prime should be less than 1.21 the original length, and then greater than 0.81 times the original length. Okay? And well, in order to determine how many percentage, we can do something like this. Okay, so the percentage should be, let's say percentage here, equal to the 1.21 L minus 0.81 L. You know what, let's forget about the L because we only care about the percentage, which is the number. So it should be 1.21 minus 0.81. And then divide by 2 times 100%. And this will give us, the percentage is about 20%. So therefore, the length of the rod should be adjusted by 20% in order to provide this kind of flexibility in the period. Okay? And this is my answer for this question.